Good morning, everyone. I am Chelama Reddy. Welcome to CR Maths class. In previous class, we have completed 13 problems in level 1. Now this is a 14th problem. See the question what they are given. The two successive terms in the expansion of 1 plus x whole power 24, whose coefficients are in the ratio 4:1. Successive terms they are asking. Successive terms means I am taking, that is r plus 1th term and r plus 2 term. R plus 1th term, comma, r plus 2th term. Or we can take no problem rth and r plus 1th term also. Rth and r plus 1th. Rth, comma, r plus 1th terms. These are two successive terms in the expansion 1 plus x whole power 24. But here they are asking the coefficients are in the ratio. In rth term, what is the binomial coefficient? NCR minus 1 generally. But in place of n, what is there here? 24 is there. So finally, what is the rth term in this expansion means coefficient of rth term, that is 24C r minus 1. Here 24C r. Okay, the coefficients are in the ratio 4:1. Then what are the terms they are asking? That means 24C r minus 1 ratio 24C r, that is equal to 4:1. Now I am writing 24 CR divided by 24 CR minus 1. That means what we have to write, students? 1/4 or not? Here already you know the formula. NCR divided by NCR minus 1. That is equal to N minus of R minus 1 by R. This is the formula. Use this formula. Then what happens? See, 24 minus of r minus 1. That means minus r plus 1 divided by r, that is equal to 1/4. Now take the cross multiplication. 96 minus 4r plus 4, that is equal to r. 100 is equal to 5r. Then what is r, students? R is equal to 100. This is r is equal to 100. Now, what are the terms they are asking? R is equal to 20 means what are the terms here? The terms are 20th, comma 20 plus 1. That means 21, 21st term. This is the answer. So this is, we can write another way also, that is T20, comma T21 terms. By observing the options, tell me which option is correct. Third option is correct. The coefficient of x power 16 and x power 17 in a plus bx whole power 101 are equal. If a and b are natural numbers, then the least possible value of A. So they are asking x power 16 coefficient and x power 17 coefficients are equal, already given. Okay, but we need to find A value. What is the expansion here? A plus bx whole power 101. This is expansion. In that expansion, what is general term, students? TR plus 1, that is equal to 101 CR into A power 101 minus R into Bx whole power R. Okay, but what they are given here? Coefficient of x power 16 is equal to coefficient of x power 17. Now see here, coefficient of x power 16. X power 16 when it is possible, if R is equal to 16. Right here, 101 C16 A power 101 minus 16 into B power 16. Okay, but coefficient of x power 17 means in place of R, take that 17, 101 C17 A power 101 minus 17 into B power 17. Okay, now how to do the calculation? That is the important here. How to do the calculation? Tell me. First A terms, observe that 101 minus 16. I think those are 85 terms now. 85 terms. A power 85 into B power 16. Right hand side AB terms, send left hand side. 101 minus 17. Those are 84 terms into B power 17. That's equal to 101 C17 divided by 101 C16. Why I am writing like this means we know the formula NCR by NCR minus 1, that is equal to N minus of R minus 1 divided by R. R minus 1, compare that. R is more comparatively R minus 1. So see here calculation. A and B terms is going to cancel, remaining I am written. Here 101 minus 16 divided by 17. A by B, that is equal to 101 minus 16 means that is 85. 85 by 17. 17 5s are 85. Now A is equal to 5B. A is equal to 5B. Here see that A and B are natural numbers. A and B are natural numbers. Then what is the least possible value of A, they are asking. Least possible value. What we can take, students? If A is equal to 5, then B is equal to 1, the condition will be satisfied. If A is equal to 25 or A is equal to 10, A is equal to 10, B is equal to 2. A is equal to 15. 15, huh? Yes. A is equal to 15, then B is equal to 3. Then only the conditions are exist like this. But they are asking least possible value of A. What is the least value here? 5. Third option is correct. So least value of A that is equal to 5. This is the final answer. So A is possible to get 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 and so on. But out of those, least value is 5 only. 1 plus x plus 1 plus x whole square and so on and so on. 1 plus x whole power n. Observe the series. This is GP series. How many number of terms are there? Number of terms. There are n plus 1 terms. N plus 1 terms. Sum of n terms in GP series formula a into r power n minus 1 by r minus 1. If r greater than 1, 1 plus x is the ratio, common ratio here. That is greater than 1 only. Okay. Now apply the formula. 1 into r means 1 plus x whole power n plus 1 minus 1 divided by r minus 1. R means 1 plus x minus 1. Okay, minus 1 plus 1 cancel. Students, here what we want to find, tell me. Coefficient of x power k in 1 plus x whole power n plus 1 minus 1 divided by x. Now these x take cross multiplication, that is coefficient of x power k plus 1 in 1 plus x whole power n plus 1 minus 1. Minus 1 is constant. Observe this expansion only. We know that general term formula in the expansion of 1 plus x whole power n. What is the general term? NCR into x power r. Power whatever is there, here also will come same. Yes or no? Here power what is there? X power k plus 1. So we can expect the coefficient is what? N plus 1 C k plus 1. This is the answer now. By observing this general term, I am written. Okay, students. Now, finally, which option is correct? Fourth option is correct. The 21st and 22nd term in the expansion of 1 plus x whole power 44 are equal. So first, in that expansion, what is general term, students? 1 plus x whole power 44 now. Generally, we know that 1 plus x whole power n in expansion, the general term is NCR into x power r. So here T21 that is equal to T22. T21 means T20 plus 1. Here T21 plus 1. Now apply the formula. 44C20 x power 20. That is equal to 44C21 x power 21. Now see the calculation, how to do this. So I am going to do like this. X power 20 divided by x power 21, that is equal to 44C21 divided by 44C20. Here x power 20 is going to cancel, remaining 1 by x. Apply this formula. NCR by NCR minus 1. That is 44 minus 20 by 21. Okay. Numerator how much, students? 24. Denominator 21. So 3 8s are 24, 3 7s are 21. 1 by x is equal to 8 by 7. But they are asking x value. X means what? 7 by 8. So which option is correct? Second option. And here observe that 8 by 7 also is there. That too first option. Finally, what they are asking, observe that they are asking x value. So x value is 7 by 8. How to do this problem? Coefficient of x power 10 in that expansion. They're asking coefficient of x power 10. But see that there are two terms, 1 plus 2 into x power 4 into 1 minus x whole power 8. 1 plus 2x power 4. Here first term 1 plus 2x power 4. Observe that here only two terms are there. One is constant, another one is x power 4. Constant multiply with x power 10. Then you will get the coefficient of x power 10. Or x power 4 multiply with x power 6. X power 4 into x power 6. X power 10 are right. These two terms where it is possible in second expansion, identify that. But x power 10, that is impossible because the power is 8. How we can get x power 10? That is impossible. Now identify that x power 6. Identify that x power 6. Now 8c0 minus 8c1 into x plus 8c2 into x square. By observing in this expansion, I am writing 8c6 into x power 6 minus and so on. What is the last term, students? 8c8 x power 8. Now observe that x power 10 coefficient, that is coefficient of x power 10 is which terms we want to multiply? These terms, these two terms we are multiplied means we get x power 10. Only one case is possible. So many terms are there. Remaining terms, we can't get that coefficient of x power 10. So what is the answer? Just to take the coefficients. 2 into 8c6. Calculate this. 8c6 means how to write? 8c6 means how to write? That is 8c2 also. How I am writing? NCR is equal to NC n minus R. By using this formula I am written. Now see the calculation. 2 into 8c2 means 8 into 7 by 1 into 2. 2 to cancel. 8 sevens are how much? 56. Second option is, but here right hand side formula is there. See that the total number of terms in that expansion, x plus a whole power 100 plus x minus a whole power 100. What is the power n? 100. 100 means even or odd. This is even. See here, if it is there plus, if n is even, what is the formula? N plus 2 by 2. Number of terms that is equal to n plus 2 by 2. That is 100 plus 2, 102 by 2. What is the answer, students? 51. Second option is here. 13th question. Observe that what is the n value? N value is 75. 75 means this is odd number. Odd number. And observe the question. X plus a whole power 75 plus. In between what is there? Plus. So if n is odd, the formula is n plus 1 by 2. Number of terms that is equal to formula n plus 1 by 2. N value is 75. 75 plus 1, 76 by 2. So what is the answer? 38 is the answer. Which option correct, students? First option. The number of terms in the expansion of x plus y plus z whole power n is. Already we know that formula. Once again I am writing. Number of terms in x1 plus x2 plus x3 and so on. xr whole power n is, what is the formula? N plus r minus 1. See, r minus 1. Now I am going to solve second question. What is the r value? 3. N value n only. Apply the formula. Number of terms that is equal to n plus 3 minus 1 c 3 minus 1. That means n plus 2 c2. Expand this. N plus 2 into n plus 1 divided by 1 into 2, that is 2. Students, which option is correct? Fourth option. Don't mark the second option. Denominator 2 factorial is there. Sorry, fourth option is wrong. Second option is correct by mistake. Because in fourth option, n plus 1, n plus 3 is there. And same like that, here I am written ninth question. See, this is. What is the R value, students, here? 4. R value is 4. Then what is the answer? N plus 4 minus 1. C, 4 minus 1. That means this is N plus 3, C3. Okay. So here there is no options now. That's why no need to do the calculation. Keep same like that. By observing the options, then calculate. Okay, students.